Hi, welcome to another Python tutorial video. Now, in this tutorial video I'm going to be giving a brief overview of what a module is. And a module is basically a Python file that has lots of functions, variables and so on inside it, and you can import that module into a file that you're working in, and then use its functions and variables and things inside that file. So I'm going to give you a few practical examples here of this. If we create a new file, so I'm just going to call it module test. I've created this module earlier, and I've got two functions defined in it. I've got a function that takes one argument, and that argument is x there, and it's going to return the square of x. I've also got a function that just prints the string that you've given it as an argument. So in our file module test here, we can say import module. So I've imported the functions and things and so on that's in here. What I can now do is call some of the functions, well, I can call the functions that are inside module from module test. So the way I do this then is module dot square, if I wanted to square my number, I can pass in the number 4. Let's set that equal to a variable. 4 squared equals module.square 4. And I can print out my answer to check that we get the right answer. And run. So we've got 16. So what that's done then is that it's called the square function from our module here, which is in a different file. Squared the argument that we've passed in, so we passed in 4, squared it, and returns the results to 4 squared, and then printed it out. So that's my first example. My second example I'm going to go through is my print string. So I can call down here module dot print string hello. Just comment those two lines out. It's going to print out hello because it's gone into module, found the function print string, passed in hello, and then that function has just printed out the string that we passed in. Okay, so if we've got this quadratic solver file, and relative to what we've been doing in past tutorials, it's quite a big bit of code, and I don't want to have to put that code inside, copy and paste that code inside my file whenever I'm creating a new program. What I can do is exactly the same as what I've been doing with import module, and what I've been doing with this file module.py. I can say quadratic solver .main, and we've forgotten to import quadratic solver. We need to do that first. So import quadratic solver, and that will work. And then this is going to allow us to use all of our code from quadratic solver. So it's going to go into this function here. It's going to allow us to use all of the code from our quadratic solver in our new file without having to copy it all into this file that we want to use it in. So we run that code there, we can see we get our quadratic solver program, and that's a really easy way to make your own modules. This is just a basic introduction into how you use the import statement with your own created files. Okay, thanks for watching.